What go on, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So see it there. Police take a big fat 38 off for the bike man belly, my people. Right now we have to say congratulations to the police them because how to tell a smarty life this a boy they are taking my people. Broad daylight him a ride with gun pan belly, my people. You understand? Somebody life save right there so. You understand? And you can see so the 38 load because the police them a fling out everyone and the bullet them in the gun, my people. Yeah. So me don't know what I'm to them youths, you know. It seems like every day upon the island a gun and badness. You understand? And then youth are not learn because every day them see what go on. Police them now ramp, you know. Every minute the police them a take a gun off a man belly. Lucky same 3 points and get spread out right this up on the ground. Anyway, when some other police film 3 points gone. And them youth are the more the man them take gun from them not learn. Every day, no, but badness become a sport, you know. Everybody want magla gun pon them belly. You understand? I done give them gun and say yo touch the road. And we see a that a go on. Cause most of the robbery them will take place. And enough of them young youth are go on with it. And them now itch for fly but yeah. So we have to say congratulations to the police them people. Yeah. One more gun off the street, another life has been saved. Yeah man. Some people we switch for boom charge for the stabbing of rice bag. DEAT my people. Yeah man. Some I make you know what go on my viewers. The police in Mandeville say they have arrested and charged 25-year-old Ocean Clark, otherwise called Boom, after allegedly stabbed a man to DEATH and injured another during an argument in Manchester last weekend. The deceased has been identified as Stephen McLean, otherwise called Ricebag. It is reported that about 10 a.m. on December 23, an argument developed between Clark, McLean and a third man who remains unidentified. At some point, the argument got physical, during which McLean and the other man were stabbed several times all over their bodies, allegedly by Clark. Both men were taken to hospital, where McLean was pronounced DEAD, the other man treated and later released. Clark was arrested during a police operation and interviewed in the presence of his attorney, where he was charged with wounding with intent. His court date is being finalized. Boy, my people, I really don't know what go on. It's like nobody can talk out, nothing again. As a man and a man in an argument, the first thing I'm gonna pray for though, I take a man 3 points. It seems like nobody can talk out, nothing again, my people. Yeah man. And it's sad to say, because as we see it, it'll get worse and worse in Jamaica. Matter of fact, all over the world, my people. Boy, may I tell you, we have to say RIP and condolences to the family. Yeah, my people. Remember to like up the video if you reach this far. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Turn on the post notification bell so when we post new video, you'll be notified. Because people, we drop news every day.